That is. We might see a little tiny bit of rain in the mountains tomorrow, but maybe like 1/100 of an inch of rain. So 1/100 of an inch, 3 feet of rain. Yeah, exactly. Temperatures cooled on down a little bit today, and that will only continue over the next few days. High temperatures in the valley today only around 90. That's about 5 to 7 degrees cooler than yesterday. 91 this afternoon's high in Redding and Red Bluff and in Chico. We got to 90 today in Corning, Willows, and in Oroville. 71. The high temperature today in Mount Shasta City. Oh, we really put the brakes on the hot weather there. 76 in Weaverville, 75 in Hayfork, and 77 in Chester and Alturas. So the cooler weather definitely made its way into the mountains today, and that'll be pouring on into the valley tomorrow. Check this out. We've been doing these cool mornings here in September for a little while. 61 at 8 o'clock in the morning. That's nothing too shocking. But only 75 at noon and only low 80s at 5 o'clock in the afternoon as skies turn partly cloudy by the end of our Wednesday. And as those partly cloudy skies, part of the reason temperatures are really going to cool on down a whole bunch, and then we're going to stay cool to finish off the rest of this week. Skies still locally smoky near the Delta fire, although the air quality may improve a little here in the next few days thanks to a little bit of an increasing south wind, which is also going to lead to high fire danger. So it's kind of a good news, bad news situation, that increasing south wind. Improving our air quality, making for a higher fire danger, and because of that higher fire danger, a red flag warning for the high fire danger exists in all of these areas you see shaded in red here through tomorrow afternoon. All right, as far as what's causing the big cool down, we've got low pressure up to the north of us here just off of Vancouver Island. We're fairly quiet here in Northern California, but we go in time, and that low doesn't drop into California. It goes into the Pacific Northwest, but that's close enough to us to maybe bring a few showers in the Siskiyous. Not much, but any little bit certainly wouldn't be a bad thing. And partly cloudy skies for everybody. This is here tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the evening. And definitely cooler weather for everybody in our forecast. So things really shaking out for a nice couple of days coming up here starting tomorrow. High temperatures in Trinity and Siskiyou counties. Yeah, 60s here in Siskiyou County, only around 70 in Weaverville and Hayfork. So really starting to feel a little like fall. A little early. We're still in summertime, but it certainly feels like fall. Upper 60s to low and mid 70s here in the Sierra and the Cascades. On the ridge, 70s for afternoon highs tomorrow. Partly cloudy skies. It'll be still a little hazy out there in the afternoon hours. In the north end of the valley, boy, getting cool. Low temperatures in the low 50s. Still a little smoky around Redding and Anderson and the city of Shasta Lake. Tomorrow, partly cloudy skies. High temperatures a lot cooler, low 80s by the end of the day. Ooh, that's nice. In the mid-valley, overnight low temperatures in the 50s tonight. A little hazy out there at times. Tomorrow, only low 80s for afternoon highs and skies turning partly cloudy by the afternoon time. Your Storm Tracker 7-day forecast. The weekend is always in view, showing those temperatures staying in the 80s here. Low 80s for afternoon highs through Saturday, and then does heat up a little bit as we get into next week, but still not bad. Redding's forecast also 80s here for a long time. A nice little fall preview coming up.
All right, thank you, Chris. Well, still to come on Action.